Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to work out problem on Jensen's ratio. In last session, we worked out problem on Sharpe ratio and Trainer's ratio. Clear? In this session, we are going to work out the combined question, that is Sharpe ratio, to calculate Sharpe ratio, Trainer's ratio, and Jensen ratio. Is it clear? So to calculate Jensen's ratio, the formula is Rp minus Rf plus Rm minus Rf into beta P. Okay. Rp is return of the portfolio, Rf is risk-free asset, Rm is return of the market, Rf is risk-free asset, beta P is risk of the portfolio. Let's begin with the question. Given the following information, portfolio is given, that is A, B, C, D. Beta is given 1.10, 0.8, 1.8 and 1.4. Return is given 14.5, 11.25, 19.75 and 18.5. Standard deviation is given 20, 17.5, 26.3 and 24.5. Risk-free rate is 6%. Market return is 12%. Calculate the Sharpe ratio, Trainer's and Jensen's ratio. Okay. Here, Sharpe ratio you can directly calculate. We have calculated 3 problems the similar way. You can calculate Sharpe ratio. Formula is Rp minus Rf divided by standard deviation P. See here, Rp minus Rf. 1 minute. See here, Rp minus Rf. Rp is nothing but return of the portfolio. That is first one, 14.5 for A, right? 14.5 minus risk-free asset is 6. Clear? Divided by standard deviation, that is 20. Hope you clear? Then 11.25 minus 6 divided by 17.5. 19.75 minus 6 divided by 26.3. 18.5 minus 6 divided by 24.5. Okay. Like that, you have to calculate this one, Sharpe's measure, right? Sharpe's ratio. So you get answers 0.43, 0.3. We check the answer, okay? 0.52, then 0.51. Next, you need not to calculate market return, because in this particular question, they didn't say to calculate or compare with the market. So you need not calculate. Even if you calculate, there will be no problem. You can calculate, but it's not necessary here. Okay. Next, you need to calculate Trainer's ratio. See, in Trainer's ratio, beta is directly given in this particular question. I just show you. Beta is directly given. So you need not to calculate beta. If correlation is given, then you need to calculate beta. Okay, here beta is directly given, so you need not to calculate beta. So directly apply to the Trainer's ratio formula. Here Rp minus Rf divided by beta P, that is the formula, right? Here Rp minus Rf divided by beta P. So Rp minus Rf, Rp in the sense return of the portfolio. 1 minute. See, Rp is nothing but this one, 14.5. Rp minus Rf is 6% divided by beta, that is 1.10. Like that, calculate for B, 11.25 minus 6 divided by 0.8. 19.75, that is for C, portfolio C. 19.75 minus 6 divided by 1.8, that is the beta. Then 18.5 minus 6 divided by 1.9. Okay, like that you have to calculate. So you get the answers 7.73, 6.56, 7.64 and 8.93. Next, you need to calculate Jensen's ratio. There is a small mistake while writing the notes. Okay, actual formula is see, Rp minus, 1 minute. See, this is minus, okay, Rp minus Rf plus Rm minus Rf into beta P. That is the formula. So now what is Rp? Return of the portfolio, right? See, what is return of the portfolio? That is first one, 14.5 for A. Separately, you have to calculate for A, B, C, D. Okay. For first, for our portfolio A, so for RP is 14.5 minus what about RF? RF is 6, right? Then RM is 12. I'll show you. RM is 12. Market return is 12%. Okay. So RM is 12. Then RF is 6. Beta 1.10. So answer is 12 point. It's not 12.6. Actually, you get 1.9. You just calculate the right answer. Okay. You get 1.9. Like that, calculate for B. 11.25 is the average return or return of the portfolio, that is RP. Okay. Minus then RF, that is 6. Just erase. See. What about second B, return of the portfolio? B's return of the portfolio or portfolio return, that is 11.25, right? 11.25. So 11.25 minus, then RF is 6, then RM is 12, minus 6 is RF. Then what about beta? That is 8.8. So answer is actually, you need to get 0.45. Okay. 11.25 minus 10.8, you get 0.45. Like that, calculate for C. So here, what is the return of the portfolio? Return of the portfolio is 19.75. Okay. Here 19.75 minus these things. Okay, clear? 6 is the RF, 12 is the market return, 6 is the RF, 1.8 is the beta. So actual answer is, you calculate yourself, you get 2.95. That is the answer. For last answer, 4.1. Hope you understood. This is about Jensen's model. It's very simple. Hope we can work out this. Okay. Next one, again, is on Sharpe's, Trainers, and Jensen method. Let's see next session. Or okay. In case of any doubts with regard to Jensen model, or else even in Trainers or else Sharpe's model, you can contact me. Thank you.